Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow a green motor. First, let's define what a green motor truly means for your business. It's about creating a sustainable, efficient, and environmentally conscious engine for growth. We'll explore key principles that drive this development, focusing on practices that benefit both your bottom line and the planet. Understanding these concepts is crucial for long-term success and positive impact. To build your green motor, focus on core sustainable principles. Start by implementing resource efficiency, aiming to reduce waste by at least 25%. Next, prioritize integrating renewable energy sources into your operations, like solar or wind power, to lower your carbon footprint. Finally, design products with a circular economy in mind, ensuring materials can be reused or recycled, minimizing environmental impact. Innovation is vital for fueling your green motor. Leverage new technologies to discover and implement eco-friendly solutions across all aspects of your business. Consider investing a significant portion, perhaps 15%, of your research and development budget into sustainable innovations. This commitment fosters a culture of continuous environmental improvement, driving efficiency and creating new opportunities for growth. Finally, it's crucial to measure and scale the impact of your green motor. Establish clear environmental metrics to track your progress and ensure accountability. Set ambitious, yet achievable sustainability goals, such as reducing energy consumption by 10% annually. Once successful, scale these green initiatives across your entire organization, maximizing your positive environmental and business impact for sustained growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.